In this video, we'd like to give you a quick tour of our tool cart on wheels. A tool cart especially designed to complement the functions of the Cylinder Cyclone cylinder repair bench. Let's begin with the bottom drawer. Here we find pipe vise jaws in a range of various sizes. The most frequently used sizes are placed in a handy, easily accessible top drawer. In the next to the bottom drawer, you will find jaw spanners. Here we have sets both large and small and the different attachments used with this work, including hook style or with pins. Next we'll find face spanners. Our options go from 1/4 to 3/4 inch pin sizes. The face spanner jaws come with reversible face plates and are made with hardened steel. Larger sizes are included and go up to 1 1/4 inches. In the second from top drawer, a square drive and quick nut system for large attachments are kept. The top drawer holds draw bolts for the cone systems and replacement parts and pins for face spanners. Now going around the cart counterclockwise, we find cone holders in sizes that range from 1/2 inch up to 8 inch capability. Also on this side of the cart we store our adjustable wrench attachment, which services nuts and bolts from 2 inches up to 7 inches. Also you will note we have some extra spaces provided for additional tooling. Moving to the third side of the cart, we have drives and sockets. On the top row you will find metric and standard hex drivers ranging from 12 millimeters to 24 millimeters and from 1/2 to 1 inch, all with a 3/4 inch drive on the back. As sizes and tension increase, we use a hex drive system with specialized hex plates provided. Our sockets range from 3/4 inches to 4.5 inches. The 3/4 inches to 2 inch sockets have a standard 1 inch square drive on the back. Then the sizes from 2 1/16 inch to 4.5 inch operate with a 3, 4, or 5 inch hex drive. These 3, 4, and 5 inch drive plates are conveniently stored on the top of the cart. Then on the last side of the cart you will find the large sockets, which range from 4 3/4 inches up to 6.5 inches. Additionally, custom sizes are available upon request. Our pressure test fittings, both metric and standard, are conveniently placed on the top of the cart. There are a full range of these from code 61 and code 62, male and female NPT pipe, male and female JIC, male and female O-ring face seal, male O-ring boss, male and female BSPP, and male and female metric. Now moving to the Cylinder Cyclone, we like to demonstrate how we mount pipe jaws. This is just a sample of the convenience which is designed into our system. Can you see how convenient it is to have the right attachments which are designed for the right tool bench, which is designed for the cylinders you work with every day? Good tooling and machine design don't cost, they pay.